continues its rally. Traders are encouraged by comments from OPEC. The ruble is trying to make up for earlier losses amid a rise in oil prices. Investors seem to downplay a stronger US dollar and geopolitical risks. Although some market participants were skeptical about a future rally in oil, prices still edged higher. Oil quotes have hit their highest level since last February and broke above. At one point, Brent broke through the level of $59 per barrel. With such an optimistic sentiment, oil bulls are likely to test new record highs soon. A positive outlook for global oil demand in 2021 provides additional support for crude prices. Besides, the working scheme of the OPEC Plus alliance raises investor confidence. Yesterday, members of the grouping said they were determined to accelerate market rebalancing without delay. In the short term, the uncertainty may persist due to existing lockdowns. However, the situation should improve later. In addition, the vaccine rollout should help restore global fuel demand. Another bullish factor for oil is the official industry data from the US. The EIA reported a draw in the crude stockpiles, yet investors did not respond to the news as the decline was rather moderate. On Thursday, the energy market is staying positive. Brent oil futures for April are trading above $58.80 per barrel, while WTI has settled above $56 per barrel. Although the pace of growth is slow, Brent buyers still aim to break through the level of 59. The next upward target is seen at $60 a barrel. At the moment, this is the highest value the bulls can reach. After that, oil is likely to start consolidating gains. In general, today's rally in oil can be explained by the overall enthusiastic sentiment. By the end of the week, Brent will attempt to settle in the range between $50 and $60 per barrel. Meanwhile, the ruble is gaining ground amid positive fundamental factors. The Russian currency advanced against the US dollar, mainly thanks to the rising oil prices. However, the emerging market currencies are trading mixed, thus limiting stable growth of the ruble. On Thursday, the dollar-ruble pair moved lower by more than 0.5% and reached the mark of 75. Despite support from the energy market, the ruble is unlikely to develop a steady uptrend. In the course of the session, it may trade moderately higher, but later the dollar bulls may step in to finish the day above 76 rubles per dollar. In the coming sessions, the trading range for the pair will remain unchanged, between 75 and 77.50. However, the ruble is still at risk of falling to the level of 78 against the greenback. Geopolitical tensions may again weigh on the ruble. Tonight, the US senators introduced a bill to target Russia with sanctions over the alleged poisoning of opposition leader Alexei Navalny. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.